Hello, welcome to Miki's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make boiled chicken. I will show you how to use a popular Japanese seasoning called ajinomoto. It's known as MSG seasoning overseas. It adds umami to a dish and you can use it in all kinds of dishes. Today I'm going to put it in my boiled chicken. Well, let's get started. First, slice ginger. Next, cut the green part of white spring onion. Therefore, removing the chicken's odor. Then, place chicken on a pan. And add salt. And ajinomoto. And sake. And water. And put ginger and white spring onion. Now heat the pan on medium heat. When it comes to boil, turn down the heat to medium-low and put a lid. Then heat it for about 6 minutes. Okay. Then flip the chicken. And put a lid again and simmer for another 6 minutes. Okay. Smells good. Then turn off the heat and let it rest until the chicken gets cool. When the chicken gets cool, slice it. Then place lettuce on a plate and serve boiled chicken on it. And last, garnish with cherry tomatoes. Okay, that's it. It's time to eat. いただきます。It's so delicious. It tastes simple, so you can use it for another dish. I'll do it next time. So, see you next time.